In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank account to your PayPal business account, especially if you're operating from the Philippines or similar regions. This is an important step to ensure you can withdraw funds, add money, or send payments securely. We'll guide you through the process, whether you're using the PayPal web dashboard or the mobile app. So let's dive right in and make this as simple and clear as possible. Understanding how to link your bank account to PayPal is crucial for managing your finances effectively. Whether you're on a desktop or mobile device, the basic steps are quite similar. It all starts with accessing your wallet on PayPal and selecting the option to link a bank account. From there, you have the choice of linking instantly using your bank login information, if your bank supports this option, or proceeding manually by entering your bank account details. Let's focus first on the desktop or laptop experience. Begin by logging into your PayPal business account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section. Alternatively, you can navigate through Pay and Get Paid, then select Banks and Cards. Here, you will find the option to link a bank account. PayPal provides a list of banks to choose from, or you can search for your specific bank. If you choose to link instantly, you'll need to log into your bank account through PayPal's secure portal. This is typically a quicker method, provided your bank supports it. If you'd prefer or need to link manually, you'll click on the option that says Link Another Way. This requires you to input several details, such as your account number, branch code, and other necessary information. Once you have entered all the details accurately, PayPal will send 1 to 2 small deposits to your bank account. These deposits are usually less than $1, or the equivalent in your local currency, and can take anywhere from the same day up to 3 to 7 business days, depending on your country's banking system. It's important to watch for these deposits because they serve as a confirmation step. Once you see these deposits in your bank account, return to your PayPal wallet, select the bank you just linked, and enter the exact amounts of the deposits received. This verifies that you've successfully linked your bank account to PayPal. Remember, linking your bank account to PayPal not only streamlines transactions, but adds a layer of security to your payments. Regularly check back on your PayPal account and bank statements to ensure that all transactions align with your records. Following these steps will enable you to manage your business finances more efficiently and without hassle. By enjoying these tools and resources effectively, you can focus more on growing your business with peace of mind about payment processes. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.